Welcome to Shakespeare in the Kitchen.
Today, we have a fantastic conversation topic.
Is Shakespeare actually Shakespeare?
And did Shakespeare invent the ham sandwich?
My name's Rebecca. I'm 15 years old.
I'm Mark. I'm 16 years old.
And I'm half African American and half Jewish.
And I'm Russian Jewish.
So I'm making matzo ball soup. It's my grandmother's recipe. This pot over here is the pot that my grandmother got for her wedding day.
So the dish that I chose to prepare today, it's like a little play on a Russian dish called julienne. I do like hot kitchens. I do like intensity. I have time. I have to do something. You just enter an altered state of mind.
That's really intense.
Is it about the journey or is it about the destination?
I'm a destination fella. It's all about getting to that perfect final product.
I don't feel the same way. I think it's about the journey. If you get to some place but you didn't do it the right way or you didn't enjoy how you got there, I don't think it's worth it. You know, being in high school and getting close to college age, my school is really intense. They have really high goals for themselves, and it's a really competitive place.
It is stressful, right? It's always on your mind.
Once you have pushed yourself past a point, you are no longer performing your best. You're just doing more things, but you're not doing them as well as you could be doing them.
I like a lot of different things. That's the problem. I like cooking, I like games, I like computers, I like medicine. So my end goal is just to make it in whatever field that I want to go down. Honing is maintenance, sharpening is like big boy, all right, our knife is dull, we gotta fix this.
I think that we're all sort of sharpening ourselves all the time. Yeah, I would definitely say that I still have a lot of work in my life that I should do and can be done.
One thing you learn in a high school that's not taught in the classroom.
I think social dynamics, like seeing how people interact, like with and without social pressure, I think is something that it's like really distinct in a high school environment.
Maybe being aware that you're not the only one that exists. You stop shouting in the hallways, and when you learn to use deodorant properly.
I think it's pretty good. My grandma would enjoy it.
I'm always a little bit disappointed in myself every time I cook, but I think today it worked out really well.
Yeah, I think the journey was really fun. It was a great time cooking, and the destination is excellent too because they both taste really good.